everybody, this is Kantai Skiing. Welcome back to another video. Actually, yeah, it's going to be going on Kantai Skiing, right? Okay, so we thought we'd do it again. So we tried doing another earthquake bridge like you see here. The hot water again, if you haven't watched the first one, which is our second most popular video. But, so it falls. And yeah, this is still hot water, but glad we have 100 subscribers, right?
118.
Yeah. Oh yeah. In this description, I'm gonna show. There's a channel that if you ever want to see, there's a movie coming out this summer. Has a trailer, and the channel Gadget Gents is gonna be in the description. So yeah, sure to show that because we're in that movie, and it's coming this summer, which I'm excited. And I saw it last week, which was my birthday. It was crazy last week on my birthday, so yeah. I'm 12. Okay, let's get to it. Oh, what up? Okay, so I just made a race car, but I'm just gonna crack the beam this time.